When winter storms hit, clearing snow can feel like a never-ending task. But what if you could take the hassle out of snow removal? With Yarbo snowblower and its smart scheduling feature, that's exactly what you can do. Yarbo's snowblower comes equipped with an advanced smart scheduling feature, allowing you to plan and automate your snow removal with ease. First up, customizable timing. Whether you prefer clearing snow early in the morning, during the day, or even late at night, you can set your snowblower to operate at the times that work best for you. Simply choose the time, and Yarbo takes care of the rest. Next, there's zone management. With this feature, you can define specific areas of your property to prioritize, such as your driveway, walkway, or any other important zones. You can even set different schedules for each zone, making sure the most crucial areas get cleared first, whenever you need it. Once your schedule is set, Yarbo's snowblower does the rest. With automated execution, it will carry out your snow removal tasks without any manual intervention. With Yarbo's smart scheduling, snow removal becomes not only more efficient, but also more convenient. You can set it, forget it, and trust that your outdoor areas will always be ready, no matter how much snow falls. Make winter easier with Yarbo's snowblower and its smart scheduling feature. Stay ahead of the snow and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated snow removal.